Hello everyone, Attila here. I work as a developer experience engineer at Xata, and today we're going to play around with database provisioning, full text search with typo tolerance, and aggregations in about 4 minutes. Are you ready? So let's go. So first of all, we're going to create a new database. I'm going to call it Capsule Corp. I'm going to select my region, database created. Now I come here, I want to use a sample database. So now we have a table for posts and a table for users. We can visualize our schema, immediately check up relations, and we have this playground to play around. So this playground is directly on our production data. So we can, for example, we instantialize a new Xata client, and we can create aggregations like such. Data, DB, and posts, aggregate. You see it's already type saved according to my own data schema. And I can run my query, my test query. Boom, I have 21 posts. Instead of having all my posts, I can come and check for average number of views in my posts. So for that I want average, and I want select by column name. I have views, but yeah, not only average, I also want to know the max number of views. And then instead of average, I'm going to go for max. And I also want to know the posts that have the least number of views. So instead of max, I go for min. I can once again log all my aggregations. Boom. Now that I have this, I can also, for example, go for the most viewed post. So I want on my Xata, I want a DB from posts, and I want to filter now, and I want to filter based on the views, and the views needs to be greater or equal. For this greater or equal, you need to import. So now I have the greater than or equal operand. You see I even have the completion here. And now I want to get the first result. Now I have the post. So now I want to create the related view, and I want to query only on my post table, and I want now to search on it based on my SOAP term. And because I don't have that many, I'm going to add some typo tolerance for 2. Now we have a few results. How many exactly? 4. Now all of this is pretty nice, but you can, if you're more of a low-code person, you can come over here and build your own queries. For example, I want to filter, so greater or equal to, and I want to have all the posts that are above 900 views. That's it. I can generate my snippet from the SDK, copy, and use on my code. I can also come over here to my search, for example, and I want to search for the term soap. I see I only got 1, so let's add some typo tolerance. And there you go, all my 4 results. I can even boost. For example, I want to have a numeric booster based on post views. My research results, they already changed a little bit. And you can see the relevance score. Again, you can come over here and copy and use it straight to your code. So to recap, we did database provisioning. We played around with low code. We had an SDK Playground that we had aggregations, full text search with typo tolerance. We played a little bit with boosters, and that was it. Under 5 minutes, right? See you next one.